What a haul. Breakfast burrito, snack bar, apple juice.
From concentrate.
Coffee. Wholesome meal. Good morning. Welcome to Butte, Montana. We just woke up in our very cheap, very not nice. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not great. Hotel room, and woke up to our free breakfast of a pre-packaged breakfast burrito. Don't know how well that's gonna go down. We'll see. I'll take a few bites and judge from there. But it doesn't look like the best thing, but at least we got free coffee. It's still early in the day, so we'll be heading out soon to Glacier National Park. First stop of the day is Walmart, and we got everything. A whole bunch of things. New camping chairs. Yay. I didn't get my nice one. I got a $5 cheap one, so not the best, but it's better than nothing.
I got a face mask, a ton of cup of noodles, hand warmers, a bear bell, blister stuff, and hiking poles because I am an old lady now.
Yeah, Quinn's feet are not happy with her.
Look at that. It is not doing well.
Yeah. So Quinn needs extra support.
All the support I can get, baby.
Second stop of the day, breakfast in the Costco parking lots, although there isn't a sign there. I'm having the leftover yogurts and berries / Panda Puffs. AI recreational equipment, which is like one of the best outdoor stores, and we just needed to stop here because I wanted to see if I could lose this mask because these are so annoying to hike with and just wear in general, and instead I got one of these so I can just have it around my neck. It'll be way easier for hiking, way easier for just general life. And also it protects you and your neck from the sun. So it's a win-win-win all around. And then Quinn also got this cool Patagonia hat, which she had one and then she lost the one, but she loves it so much. And it was a cool hat, so that's what's happening. We also got a new box, like storage box thing from Walmart. So, I mean from Costco. So we have to like repack the car again for like the 400th time. So that's what's happening right now, and then we'll be off once again. Everything is repacked and we're good to go. It looks like even more of a mess right now because we got another big box, but all of our camping stuff and like things we don't really need access to are in there. So at least it's not like as crazy on the bottom, it just looks crazy on the top. We're doing a roadside stopover, making rotisserie chicken from Costco with cranberry sauce on a French loaf. Really good. Was it Mimi that told us about this?
I think it was Mimi and Josh.
Yeah, so Quinn's family made this throughout their life and they shared it with us.
How big of a piece do you want?
A little bit bigger, yeah, it's good. And it is so good. And what's cool about it is the rotisserie chicken from Costco are like $5 and you get like 4 meals out of it, so totally worth the money. Also, this thing is so much better than a mask. So now I can do this, and I can still, of course it's falling off now, but I'm using one hand. I can do this, I can still breathe through it nicely. If I need extra protection from corona, I can do a double layer. So it's all good. And then I can just leave it around my neck like this, and we're good to go. Stacked. Oof.
I don't care what anyone says, we eat so well on the road. Oh yeah! Wow, look at that quality. It's so good.
Look at that quality.
Yeah, quality. Oh my god, I'm an influencer. Look at that quality.
Look at that quality.
Can you not zoom in on my zits?
Not on your zits.
You're on my mouth. I don't like that.
to Glacier National Park, kind of. We just drove through the national park to a campsite that we found on the internet. All of the campsites in Glacier are closed, unfortunately, so we had to come outside of the park to find a campsite. And of course the campsite was full, but luckily we drove around and we found some really nice people and just asked if we could like park on their site.
Shout out to Brett and Danielle, you guys rock.
Shout out to them. So that's their RV right there, and we just parked in front, and we're gonna fold up our rooftop tent right here, so nice and easy. And yeah, we're just gonna chill for the rest of the day. There's a really nice river along there, so I might even like fly my drone a little bit and yeah, just hang out. Like, I think the rest of the day is gonna be just relaxing for the most part, and then tomorrow we'll be really going to explore Glacier. Cure for Quinn's toe.
Oh man, there's shit on it.
I was just about to say, like, that's getting even worse. You got a cut on
It is.
I mean, it is getting more blue, but Quinn's feeling the burn.
Dude, it's so bad.
We just finished up our chill session by the river as well, and it was so nice just to relax for a little bit and not have anywhere to go or anything to do. Traveling takes a lot out of you. And we're both just like so tired, so I think this afternoon was much needed, and I wouldn't be mad if we had a whole nother day of rest as well. But unfortunately, as I said earlier, we are hopping on somebody else's campsite, so tomorrow morning we'll probably have to try and find our own one. Actually, we might be able to get one here if somebody's leaving.
Yeah, be here already.
It's a good plans. I don't think I actually mentioned to the vlog before right now. I thought I did, but Quinn's toe is actually infected from the hike we did the other day, the epic 14-mile one. Because she like got blisters, and then that blister popped on the hike, and then she stubbed her toe with the same toe, so it just like got repeatedly smashed. And then ultimately got infected as well, so that's why she boiled some water, got bath salt. She's been putting antiseptics on the whole day. There's been a time.
It hurts to walk on. But I can't put pressure on my entire right foot because it just like hurts my big toe. I never realized how important my big toe was, but it's fucking important to walking.
Yeah.
And it's just like so swollen and like fat and black and blue, and like it hurts. It actually, wow, I can actually squeeze right there and it doesn't hurt anymore. Because this morning it hurt.
Mm-hmm.
So it's getting better with the Neosporin. I texted my aunt, who's been a savior. She's my on-call nurse. She was just like, keep putting Neosporin on it and keep soaking it as often as you can for the next like couple days, and it should be fine. Mm-hmm. So that's what I'd be doing. Yeah.
Obviously, we just want to get Quinn healed up as quickly as possible as well. That's partially why we took a rest day today as well. Well, not only because of that, but we wanted to chill as well. But just so that she can be back to top form, so we can do hikes everywhere, especially on the west coast as well, because there's a lot of hikes we want to do there. So Quinn has to rest up so we can do
stuff. It's almost a good thing that it happens at national parks, because national parks generally are like geared towards tourists.
Yeah.
Like the beautiful parts like aren't crazy hikes. I mean, some of them are like Glacier, but like thank God Yellowstone was super touristy, so I like didn't miss out.
You didn't need to hike.
Yeah. So I'm pretty grateful that it happened when it did. Now I know to double check the fucking mileage on hikes and wear blister things or have blister things with me.
Otherwise your foot ends up like that.
Yeah, at least my toes look nice. Like my fingernail, my toenail polish.
Very nice.
But that does not look.
Not very nice.
Ew. Ew, it's seriously so gross. I can't believe you're showing this to the internet.
Here's nicer things. Also, another fun fact, we got the sausage from Costco. I thought it was $9 for the package, but it was $9 per pound, and it was like 2.2 pounds, so just $20. So that kind of sucks. I didn't know that until now. We were just thinking earlier, we're like, why was the Costco bill so expensive, the receipt? And then Quinn noticed now, and we're like, oh, that's why. So
It's because Dean likes his meat expensive.
I don't. I just didn't know. I thought it was only $9.
It's
So,
okay. We're
yeah.
buying steak next to make up for it because I want steak, but Dean doesn't.
It's expensive.
So is it.
I know. Laptop club. What a view.
Spooky.
Time for a horror story. Clearly we are in the tent right now. It is the end of the day. Very tired. But it was a nice relaxing afternoon, evening. We did some work.
It was too short.
Yeah,
Again.
we needed like a whole day to chill. But it's
And
like
to work.
it's like 8:30 right now, isn't it?
It's 9.
Okay, close enough. And we're getting to bed. Our neighbors were, well, not really our neighbors, our hosts
Yeah.
were very kind and invited us to their fire and like have beers and stuff. But we were like, we're going to bed. So sad, but they were very nice. Thank you to the neighbors if you ever get to watch this at some point. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Tomorrow will be a lot more adventure filled. And until then, we'll see you soon. That didn't even make sense, but it's fine.
It's bedtime.
I'm tired. Okay, get out there, make it happen. See you tomorrow.